Hello students, in the previous videos we have seen about advertisement writing. We have seen the definition of advertisement, types of advertisements, that is classified and commercial or display, and we have also seen characteristics of classified advertisement. Then we have seen different types of classified advertisements. In that we have seen first one, situations vacant, next is situations wanted. Today we shall be seeing sale and purchase of property, vehicles and goods. So how to write an advertisement in a classified column in case of sale and purchase of property, vehicles and goods. First of all, let us see sale and purchase of property. While writing an advertisement for sale and purchase of property, you should take care that the heading should be proper. The heading should tell whether you are purchasing or you are selling the property. So, the heading should be like in case of sale, property for sale, and in case of purchase, wanted flat or plot or bungalow, whatever it is, or building, whatever it is. So the important points in case of sale and purchase of property is heading. Next, as it is property, you should give information regarding the area, floor, which floor it is, number of rooms, whether it is a flat or bungalow, and whether it is for residential or office purpose. If it is for office purpose, then it is suitable for if it is suitable for a bank or an MNC or a supermarket. So for which type of office the particular property is suitable. You can mention even that. You can mention whether the property is furnished, semi-furnished or unfurnished. Then the location and surroundings of the property, because this is very important. Basing on, you know very well, basing on the location and surroundings of the property, the price of property will differ. So this information is also very important. Along with that, what are the facilities which are provided along with the property, like power connection, telephone connection, parking, washrooms or toilets, proximity to business area or shopping area. So whether it is in a prominent place or what. Accordingly, you can give any other additional information. Along with this, you should be giving the contact details. Let us see an example in order to understand it better. Geeta Trihan, 19C, Mapusa, Goa, wishes to sell her house as she is migrating to Australia. So here Geeta Trehan, she is from Goa and she wishes to sell her house. So this is, yes, property for sale. And the reason is she is migrating to Australia. So what are we supposed to do? Draft an advertisement for her for publication in the for sale section of the newspaper. So for sale section of the newspaper, you should publish an advertisement. So we have seen in the classified column section of newspaper, there will be various headings, and according to the heading, the advertisement will be, yes, divided. So here they are asking you to write an advertisement in the newspaper section of classified, wherein under the heading for sale you have to write, and it is property for sale. So the heading should be property for sale. As we have seen, you can write the first few words in capital letters, and here they have written house for sale in capital letters. And it is located at Mapusa, Goa, and it is spacious with 3 bedrooms, size, floor and number of rooms is also mentioned. Servants' quarters fully furnished, well-maintained lawn and car parking. So other attractions or whatever the facilities are there, even that is also given. Best location. Reasonable price. Regarding the price, they didn't mention any price, but they are saying reasonable price. You can also write negotiable price. And contact details are given. Contact Dr. Geeta and the contact number is given. In this, you can also add one word. As she is migrating to Australia, you can write owner going abroad as the reason in order to sell the property. The reason for selling the property. So this is how you should be writing advertisement in case of sale or purchase of a property. If it is purchase, how can you write? You can write wanted flat or wanted plot or wanted property. Accordingly, you can give the details which type of property you want and in which location you are expecting the property to purchase. So accordingly, the details can be given in case of purchase. Now let us see another heading, that is in case of purchase and sale of vehicles. In this, the important point is heading. Yes, because it can be either for purchase or sale of the vehicle. As it is a vehicle, you should be writing model or year of the manufacturer. This is very important in case of purchase or sale of the vehicle, because according to this, the price will differ. Along with that, what are the accessories fitted to it? What is the mileage or kilometers run? What is the price you are expecting? What is the make, color and condition of the vehicle? And ownership details, insurance details. Accordingly, you can give along with the contact details. Let us see the example in order to understand it better. You plan to sell your old car. So this is, yes, selling a car, selling an old car. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be inserted in a reputed national daily, giving all necessary details of the car. So you are supposed to write an advertisement in not more than 50 words in a national daily, giving all the necessary details of the car, and you are going to sell your car as you want to purchase. Maybe any reason can be given if at all you want to give it. Let us see the answer. You will understand it much better. Heading, as we discussed, car for sale, and they have given available red Santro. So the car model is also given 2010. So the make of the car is, the brand of the car is Santro, and the color they have given is red, and the model is 2010 model. Kilometers run also they have given 50,000 kilometers. Single owner driven. So the ownership details is also given. Single owner driven. Original parts fitted with AC and stereo. So fitted with AC and stereo also is there. Additional features they have given. Excellent condition. Price not negotiable, 2 lakhs. So the owner is, maybe is very straightforward, is telling no negotiation at all. It's fixed price, that is 2 lakh rupees. And who is that? Contact Dr. Gaur at, the number is given, contact number, within a week. The time limit is also given over here. And here he is also giving, yes, the reason for sale, that is owner going abroad. The reason for sale is also given over here. So this is how you should be writing in case of an advertisement of vehicle for sale. In case of purchase, you can write wanted a car. So you can write the details in that. So car wanted a car or wanted a vehicle. So what vehicle you want, which model you want, you can describe the details accordingly. Let's see another heading, household goods. Many of the times, the second-hand goods in houses, basically mainly in metro cities where people shift from one place to another place frequently, they dispose of the goods. So in that case, they want to dispose of the old goods rather than carrying them in the transport. They want to dispose of those goods in that place, and when they go to new place, they want to purchase the new one. So in order to dispose of the old goods, they want to, yes, they want to write an advertisement regarding the same. So how it can be? In the same way, some people want to purchase goods. Maybe they want to buy the first hand, they may not be able to buy it at high price. So they want to buy some second hand goods which are at low price. So how can they buy? So how they have to write an advertisement in case of purchase and sale of household goods, mainly the second hand ones. In this, the important point to be noted is name of the item you want to purchase or sell. Next, brand, model or year of manufacture. Then the condition of the goods along with the contact details. Let us see an example in order to understand it much better. You are Jignesh or Jia of 13 Vastrapur, Vadodara. You have been transferred to the Middle East. You have a television and a washing machine to sell. So here Mr. Jignesh or Ms. Jia, maybe they are shifting, they have been transferred to Middle East and they have got a television and a washing machine with them. So he or she has got a television or washing machine with them and they want to sell the same. So in order to sell, draft a suitable advertisement for publication in the Times of India. So you are supposed to draft an advertisement in Times of India in order to sell these household goods. So the heading, of course, it is for sale. So household goods for sale should be the heading. And as we discussed, one or two words can be in capitals. So they have written for immediate sale. So it's an immediate sale. A brand new Onida TV 29 inches and LG washing machine model RC 121. So what are the goods for sale? One is television, other one is washing machine, and the models is also model of the same is also written in this. Bought last December. So when it is purchased, the last December, of course from the date of publication of the advertisement. Both in excellent working condition. Owner going abroad. So the reason is also given, the condition of the goods is also mentioned. Price is negotiable. So they are mentioned regarding the prices also, that is negotiable. And the contact details is given. Contact Jia 13 Vastrapur Vadodara. So this is how you should be writing an advertisement in case of household goods for sale. In case of purchase, accordingly, wanted household goods, and accordingly you can mention whatever the goods you want in order to purchase. Let's see the homework exercise. You are Harish or Harshita of 12, Sevanagar, Pune. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Pune Times under the classified columns. So you are supposed to draft an advertisement not more than 50 words in the classified columns of Pune Times newspaper. And the advertisement is, yes, it is for selling of a flat. So you can write the heading flat for sale. And accordingly you can write the remaining details. And the contact person is Harish or Harshita of Sevanagar, Pune. Fine. Let us see another homework exercise. You are Arnit or Arnika. You want to sell your car as you are planning to buy. Here it is misprint. It should be buy, not but. Planning to buy a new one. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in the vehicles column of a newspaper. So you want to sell your car As you want to purchase a new one, the reason is given over here. So you have to draft an advertisement. So it should be yes, car for sale. So accordingly you can put the heading and write the required details. As I always say, complete the homework on the same day of when the homework is given. So when you are given the homework, if you complete on the same day, you will not postpone the things, so you will not feel burdensome. Or else you will feel burdensome when 3, 4, 5 or 10 homeworks are, yes, you want to do at a time. So try to complete the homework on the same day so that it will not be burdensome for you and you can learn something.